Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. Today another shipment came in from Japan, this time an RX-DD1 boombox. We've already done a video about the boombox made by Panasonic. This one is special because it's new, mint in box, and includes the manual and remote that we don't have. So join us while we unpack it. One of the two things that we don't have, the manual. We need to translate this because it's in Japanese. New connection cable. The missing remote. Still in seal. Let's do a full test to see if everything works. DCC first. That seems to be working fine. Next is the analog deck. That needed a little help after being in a box for 25 years. Though the pinch rollers for the analog and DCC deck are the same, they have different inside colors. A quick CD check.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Louise Schiavone. Now public, the 448...
Now that everything is checked and working, we will not restore it at this moment. Though the gear is a known problem with this deck, just like the Technics RS-DC8, it will be on display as is. Especially since we already have a restored working unit at the DCC Museum. We strive to have 2 of each DCC player or recorder, one originally in box and a working model on display to show our visitors. About half of our collection of 40 we also have in box. We will do a video about each of them individually. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.